Today we're going to be looking at adding a weather and video app to our SharePoint site. Open the SharePoint site you would like to add these two functions to. While in edit mode, select a column you like to add the weather. Search for the weather web part. Select a location that you want to see the weather for. You can choose between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And that's how you add the weather web part. Now, on a new section, create a new title. For example, we're going to show holiday videos that are saved in our Microsoft Streams. YouTube is also available as an option. In the link for the web address of the single video we want to show, or we can show videos from the channel. We then grab the link to the channel and paste it in. We're also able to change the background section. Once you click publish, you're able to view the weather app. And you're also able to look at the videos. You can also click on the videos and play them within SharePoint. We can also go to Microsoft Streams and check out the channel that we're looking at. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video in this series.